Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So let's do some interesting hairstyle works in our video. So here I'm just putting a rubber band and then twisting the hair into two halves and then making a bun and plaiting the hair in the down bottom and then using a clip we are just making a bun. So let's move on. I'm taking two sides of plait and then making a French plait using a multiple rubber band. Then slowly need to plait them. And here's a beautiful French plait and we are layer by layer we are just giving the pins. Rotate the hair and then tie the hair. Same way as it follows to the right as well as the left of the hairstyle. Plaiting the hair and making into a circle plait of the hair and using a rubber band we are just plaiting it and then sticking the clip onto it, combing the hair. Take a half part of the hair, plait them and twist the hair. Using a hand movement, we learn how to plait an hair. Same way it has been done for the right as well as for the left. And then combine all these plaits that has been done 4 plaits together into two. And then merge these plaits and twist the hair. Put a clip onto it and here's beautiful hairstyle. So take a 3 divisions of hair and then plait into them slowly using the hand movements and then put a rubber band, take a part of the hair, again circle them and twist using a rubber band. Same way it follows to the all layer of the hair and take a first part of the plaited hair, put a rubber band and twist them. So here's a beautiful hairstyle and a clip is been added to the hairs. Take a rubber band, another rubber band and divide it into half and then plait them and make it a bun and put a clip into the bun and make it a hair bun French plait. Use a clip onto it. So next I'm taking a half part on 3 sides of the hairs, twisting the hairs into 2 halves of all the 3 sides and plaiting them. So after the twisting, again one more twist has been done and same thing it's been done to the hair with twisting and comb the hair. Take a 2 half of the hair, twist the hair using a fingers, rotate them and same way twist the hair and then merge the hair into 2 equal halves together. Here's a beautiful hairstyle that has been taught in this video using multiple rubber bands and the clips. Using a hand, divide a hair into half and using 2 fingers, twist them using a rubber band. Same way as it follows and then plait the hair. Remaining part of the hair is being plaited. Slowly it's been plaited and here's a French plait using different kinds of hand movements is being plaited using a rubber band and then rotate them and make a beautiful bun. Just lift the little hair on the left side and the right side, make a hair ponytail and twist them. Using the left part, twist the hair and same way using another part, twist the hair and then rotate them and twist into them and make a beautiful hairstyle using a cherry rubber band. Using 2 hands, make a rubber band, ponytail, same way it's been done into half, merge 2 halves and again a rubber band is being used, merge into an half, put a clip onto it. Take a half ponytail, put a rubber band onto it, same way put a rubber band onto it and stick onto it and put a clip onto it. And here's a hairstyle of twisting hairs and using different dub bands and the ponytail and making a half bun of the hairstyle and put a half bun hairstyle into the rubber band. Put clip onto it. Thank you.